Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Android Auto with your Mercedes-Benz. So in this video we are going to use the USB-C to USB-C cable to connect our Android phone to the Mercedes car. So on the newer Mercedes cars you will see this kind of USB-C port somewhere on your car. So on my Mercedes-Benz GLB, I have this USB-C port here in front of my car, right? So I will just put one end of this USB-C cable here in this port, and then the other end I will connect to my phone. So here is my Android phone. So I have connected my Mercedes-Benz car with the Android phone via the USB-C cable. And as soon as you connect the phone with your car, you will see this kind of message on your MBUX, which says data protection statement, Android Auto. And here you just need to press on this option, which says accept and start, which is going to start the Android Auto, and then you will get this kind of notification on your Android phone which says welcome to Android Auto, and here you just need to press on continue on your Android phone. And once you press continue on your Android phone, you can see our Mercedes-Benz is connected via the Android Auto to our Android phone, right? So also you will see this kind of message on your Android phone which says allow access to messages, and if you authorize this you will be able to do the messaging via the Android Auto. So I'm going to press on allow here, and that's it. So our phone is connected via Android Auto to our Mercedes-Benz. Now here on the MBUX, you will be able to see all the related apps. So you can see all these apps here. If you want to see more apps, click on this icon here, and then you will see more apps. So I have this YouTube Music, Weather app, Map, and other apps here. If I want to go back, I will press on this menu here once again, and then I will go to the map. And when you press on this Mercedes icon, you will exit from the Android Auto to your normal Mercedes user interface, which is the MBUX interface, right? And if you want to switch to Android Auto, here is this small icon here. So just press on Android Auto icon, and then once again you are connected via the Android Auto to your Mercedes-Benz. So this is how you can connect your phone via Android Auto to your Mercedes-Benz via the USB-C to USB-C cable, right?